Hello friends, we know the definition of ellipse from triangle point of view. We have here triangle ABC in which vertices B and C are fixed. Vertex A is variable which moves on the plane in such a way that sum of two variable sides is constant. Here two variable sides are AB and AC. Sum of lengths of AB and AC is constant. Okay. Then locus of vertex A will be ellipse in which B and C will be its foci. वेरिएबल वर्टेक्स ए का लोकस एलिप्स हो जाएगा जब ए बी प्लस ए सी कॉन्स्टेंट होगा। ठीक है, पॉइंट्स बी एंड सी यहाँ पे क्या है, फिक्स्ड है। ठीक है, पहले से ही गिवन है ये पॉइंट्स। इस लोकस के लिए, इस एलिप्स के लिए बी एंड सी क्या हो जाएंगे, उसके फोकाई हो जाएंगे। दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फोकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द एलिप्स। हियर ए बी एंड ए सी आर focal lengths or focal distances of variable point A on the ellipse. Sum of two variable focal lengths is always constant for any point on the ellipse. Okay. Now we have this question. In triangle ABC, if BC is equal to A is fixed and cos B plus cos C plus 2 cos A is equal to 2, then prove that locus of vertex A is ellipse. Here base BC is fixed and vertex A is variable. It moves on the plane in such a way that cos B plus cos C plus 2 cos A is equal to 2, then we have to prove that locus of vertex A is ellipse. That means we have to prove that AB plus AC is constant. AB is small c and AC is small b. We have to prove that this sum is constant. Okay. For that we have this relation. ये relation given है. Here angles A, B and C are variables, but they satisfy this relation. Okay. Now from this we have to get this. कैसे लाएंगे? We have cos B plus cos C is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 minus cos A. Okay. 1 minus cos A is 2 sine square A by 2. Okay. And here we apply CD formula. We have 2 cos B plus C by 2 multiplied by cos B minus C by 2. Cos B plus C by 2 is sin A by 2. So from both sides sin A by 2 gets cancelled out. So we have this relation. Okay. Now what do we do? On both sides we multiply by cos A by 2. So we have here 2 cos A by 2 multiplied by cos B minus C by 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by sin A by 2 multiplied by cos A by 2. Okay. 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 is sin A. So we have here 2 sin A. Okay. And cos A by 2 is sin B plus C by 2. Okay. Cos A by 2 क्या हो जाएगा, sin B plus C by 2 होगा. And 2 sin B plus C by 2 multiplied by cos B minus C by 2 is sin B plus sin C. ठीक है ना? Now we use sine rule. So we get B plus C is equal to 2A. ठीक है ना? साइन रूल यूज करेंगे तो B plus C क्या हो जाएगा, 2A हो जाएगा. एंड 2A is constant because BC is equal to A is fixed. ये given है. So sum of two variable sides AB and AC is constant. So locus of vertex A will be ellipse. Okay. Let's take one more question in this. We have this question now. In triangle ABC, if BC is equal to A is fixed and cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 is equal to 2 cot A by 2, then prove that locus of vertex A is ellipse. Now here we have this relation. We can use half angle formulas. By the way, what is our target? Our target is B plus C is equal to constant. हमें ये prove करना है ना. Vertex A का locus अगर ellipse है तो B plus C constant हो जाएगा. Vertices B and C will be foci of the ellipse. Okay. Now we use here half angle formulas. What is cot B by 2? Cot B by 2 is root S multiplied by S minus B upon S minus A multiplied by S minus C. Here small s is semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay. Then cot C by 2 क्या होगा? This is S multiplied by S minus C upon S minus a multiplied by s minus b. This is inside square root, okay? And cot a by 2 is root s minus a upon s minus b multiplied by s minus c, okay? Now here from all the terms root s gets cancelled out and we multiply both sides by root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So we get s minus b plus s minus c is equal to 2 multiplied by s minus a, okay? We have then 2s minus inside bracket b plus c is equal to 2s minus 2a, okay? So we get b plus c is equal to 2a. Again, we have b plus c is equal to 2a. So locus of vertex A will be ellipse because sum of these two variable sides is constant. It is given that BC is equal to A is fixed. Okay. So we have here very interesting mixed concept questions. We have concepts of properties of triangle and ellipse.